Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in the TradingView mobile application. Let's switch to that sleek and eye-friendly look. First, open the TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom right. And at the top right corner of your chart, tap the gear icon to open the settings. And the first option here under the settings section, theme, tap on it. Just choose a dark color or black to activate dark mode. A confirmation prompt will pop up. Tap yes. And that's it. You are now in dark mode. Easy on the eyes, especially during night trading. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mobile TradingView tips. Comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.